What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your technoboy, and today I'm going to unbox this another desktop laptop mini speaker, and this is from Onlite. You can see that's a brand, new brand, and the model number is CS130. So this is the box packing. You can see it's very tiny one. You can see that's my Honor mobile, and this one is even bigger, taller than the speaker box. So uh, here on the box, so that's how the speakers look like, and the color is brown, I guess. Well, I didn't see that yet. So here you can see for indoor music, loud and clear sound, and Megabus pure sound. That's it, all the stuff. And here you can see made by PRC, means China, People's Republic of China. So let's say Chinese brand. So let's open this. Alright, so before that, just let me tell you the price. This thing cost me only 300 INR. That's it. It's a very cheap one. Now I'm gonna see if the sound is good or no. So what is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this another desktop laptop mini speaker, and this is from Onlite. You can see that's a brand, new brand, and the model number is CS130. So this is the box packing. You can see they're so tiny, so small, and they're looking so cute just like this. You can see how small they are. So remove the cover. Wow, beautiful. That's the one. And this is another one. You can see the color is very nice, and the back side you can see, well, this is not ported, it's a sealed enclosure, and here you can see the label of Onlite and CS130 mini speakers. That's it. And the front there is, this is the plastic panel. This is the pure wood, very thin one, but it's wood. And the front panel, that's the plastic. And at the bottom, anti-slipping pads are there. So there they are. And now let's check the sound. Let's see if they even sound any good or no. So I'm gonna connect it to this mobile here, and for the power source I need this mobile charger. So everything is connected now. Let's check the sound. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Well, honestly, the sound is not very loud, as I have connected this to this mobile right now. So maybe if I connect it to the PC, the sound is going to be louder, just like the last time it happens with the terabyte mini speakers. So later I'm going to check that with the PC, but now what you're hearing now, that's the maximum volume of this thing. It's not very loud, but the sound is very nice. It's what to say, very clear and a nice sound that your ears gonna like. So that's the main thing. But later I'm gonna check connecting to my PC. Let's check another song. Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. Well, the sound is very clear, and yeah, I like the sound. And the main thing is about this thing is they are very small in size, so you can take it anywhere. Even you can keep it in your backpack to use it anytime, anywhere, wherever you need. So it's very easy to connect to your laptop and use it. That's it. That's the unboxing and sound test video of this Onlite mini desktop stereo speakers, and hope you guys are gonna like the video. So hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.